Ah, why chemistry is so difficult? I wish I had a way to practice the advanced question before the exam. What should I do now? Please tell me.
Have you heard about the MemoNeet's advanced question feature in chemistry section? It is the one-stop solution for all your chemistry woes. In addition, with the NCRT exemplar section, you can practice the advanced NCRT questions and strengthen your concept of the same. Plus, it also contains JEE previous year questions, giving you an edge over other competitors, and that's gonna help you ace your exam. And the advanced assertion and reason section ensures that the question in the real exam will be a piece of cakewalk for you. MemoNeet's advanced question feature. You'll be acing your exam in no time. So, what are you looking for? Just download the MemoNeet app today itself.